G'day, just a quick video. We've got a Ford Territory here, similar sort of setup on BA's on and your Ford Territories. And what's happened, the little pin that holds the linkage, selector linkage, broke, and now we can't select park. We ended up putting a new pin in there, replacing the inhibitor switch as well while we're there. But the video is basically about how to adjust this little ratchet there. So to get it out, if you look in there, there'll be like a little tooth part. You can see in there, a little teeth in it. What you need to do is slide this bit up. There'll be two little tangs there. And then you can pull this little locating lock out, and then you can slide this up and down where you want it. This one's probably needs about 5mm longer because it won't select park. And then to put it back together, of course, you just push that back in, slide that back over it just so this can't fall out, and put it back in. There we go, all back together. And I just put a little tie down strip there just to hold that little slide on part. The plastic looked like it was not going to hold it very well, so it's just a precaution. Otherwise, if that locking one comes out, then those little teeth will just misalign again. And we've adjusted it in park and just made sure that that's adjusted to that, or that length of that rod is adjusted when it's in park, and we've tried it through the other gears. Anyway, hope that makes sense. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments or question, leave them in the section below. Thanks for watching.